Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Philips Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, deep cleaning the brew unit, descaling the machine, cleaning part of the grinder, cleaning a lot of the case of the machine, as this machine was pretty dirty and it had a big thick layer of coffee all around it. We also cleaned the spouts, did a cleaning cycle on the machine, the other maintenance things, and yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam water and then the hot water. We have the aqua clean filter out because this thing was clogging the machine. There you go, steady stream coming out from the spouts. Good color. Even though we're using our test coffee, and as you see, we have it on that container that is not even air sealed. Hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream. And we're gonna be testing the steamer of the machine. We're gonna have to wait a few seconds for the thermoblock to get up to temperature. Once it does, the water pump will start pulsing water in through the system, grabbing water from the water tank, going all around it, going to the thermoblock, to the two-way valve, and then out of the steamer water. As you can see, excellent steam coming out from the machine. The steamer was heavily clogged before, and it had a big thick layer of milk, old milk, all around the entire assembly. I completely disassembled it, deep cleaned it, and made sure that there was no milk. There's no milk in there anymore. So there you have it, Philips working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.